Drop it! I don't. Okay.
Officers are dispatched to a business on Elizabeth Avenue after reports of a disturbance inside the lobby. At first, it sounds like another standard response, something that can be handled with a few commands and a calm presence. But the moment they step through the doors, everything changes.
Hey! Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know, he came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call to business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open.
I'm calling a cat.
10-4.
He went that way.
Eunice didn't come in. Can you step it up? Hey!
Inconvenience.
Hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it on the ground.
This is David Boyd, and in just a few moments, he will force police officers into one of the most dangerous situations.
Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my God.
Hey, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
1393. Can you 109?
I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Subject in the front lobby.
You want me to leave? Yes.
Step it up.
I'm not leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up.
Where's my?
Drop it.
I just want my wife, man. I just want.
Listen, man.
I don't want to.
Taser up one. Taser. Hey. Hey, right here. He's right here. He's right here.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm gonna do it.
Taser up one. Shots fired.
Attention all outreach units. We're going to St. Charles.
Drop it.
North Avenue.
Get him over. Get him over.
North Avenue, St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
outreach units. Special units in St. Charles units. Compound dispatching shots fired at 975 Northwest Avenue. We're going to St. Charles. Responding as acknowledged EPA.
Here we go.
2137 en route.
Come on. Watch out. Move your. Hey, get out of here. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Gotcha. Roll medics.
I think I'm okay. I don't know. You guys okay?
Yeah, we're good. Yeah.
We're good.
As the adrenaline fades and the suspect is secured, the officers check on one another, realizing they just survived a nightmare scenario.